up, ladies and gents? It's your boy Moat, and today we've got an unboxing. It's not your normal unboxing. For those who don't know, I run a charity stream every year for ExtraLife, benefiting the Children's Miracle Network and children's hospitals here in Wisconsin. So, Damien deal with it. Shout out to him. This box is from him. I don't know what's in it. The only thing I know is in here is the grand prize for the tournament, which is a Steam Deck. I know that. I don't know what else is in here. I just know this box weighs 25 pounds. So we're going to see if we can open it up. You know what I'm saying? Handy dandy kitchen cheers. But yeah, so I'm going to be streaming the live stream on the back alley for sure. And I think I'm going to try to dual stream to the main channel, to the MikeOfAllTrades channel. But I don't know how to, we haven't figured out how to do that yet. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's going to be raffles and stuff. All this stuff, whatever it is, including some other stuff I have, is going to be raffled off. You know, there will be a donation link, and you guys can kick in or whatever else. So, we're going to unfold, and hopefully this doesn't knock it over, because the tripod's not, yeah, I don't know how this is about to work. But we're going to try it. Maybe I should cut the things off, maybe? I don't know. But, so we've got some bubble wrap, what it looks like. I should just tear the sides off. Hold on, I'm going to tear the sides off. Alright, there. I cut the sides off. So, it's in bubble wrap. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out. He said there's something in here for me, and I'll know it when I see it. So, let's find out. What is... Bro, all this goddamn crepe paper and... Okay. Hey, yo. Bruh. Okay, so actually the other thing I didn't know was in here was, were these. These copies, Persona 5 Tactics. He had them, they were in Walmart and he had them, and I was like, yo, they were like $10. So I knew these were in here. So we're gonna put these somewhere. Bro, is that bro, there's a whole 64 in here. So, Nintendo 64. Jumper pack and stuff. Okay. We got a console. Bruh, a PS1. With a copy of the Dukes Hazzard in it. Oh, snap. Yo, that's funny. It's like 8 degrees outside, so... Yeah. But that's cool. It's actually pretty dope. What else is in here? You know, I didn't think about this when I started recording. Making space. Cables. These are for the PS1? Yeah, that's gotta be this PS1 stuff. Okay, and then 2 controllers. I ain't gonna lie, y'all might just keep this. I might just keep it and make a donation for it. Shoot, bump that. What else we got in here? We've got... Oh, look at that. They're Tekken Jin Kazama gloves. Or no, these are Kazuyas. But still in the package. That's pretty cool. What else? What is this? And a Meet Smart Cam. So it's like a, it kind of looks like the Razer Kirin. I don't know if you guys, the Razer Kaio, I should say. But yeah, it's a webcam in the box. That's pretty dope. I'm running out of places to put stuff. What is this? This Wacom. Oh, it's a drawing tablet. So, yeah, a drawing tablet. BNIB. That's dope. I'm literally just trying to find places to put this stuff. Oh, man. And then, yeah, these are the cables and stuff for the 64. Did he not put AV cables in here? Yo, there has to be AV cables in here. If not, I have some AV cables laying around that I'll include in the box as well. This is Ultra Mini keyboard. So, what I'm assuming happened is that Damien went to the Amazon return store and just bought a bunch of stuff. Damien does like to, you know, I know he gets the rap for like dumpster diving, but he does go to the Amazon return store and just pick up a bunch of stuff. So, here, let's move this stuff out of the way. I don't think that would be called, well, I mean, that could be caused to bubble wrap, right? Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I'm just gonna throw stuff on the floor because it's annoying. What is that? The third copy of Persona. Yeah, like I said, I knew this was in there. So third copy of that. What is this? This is one of those 620-in-1s. Classic consoles built in, 80 consoles. So, you know, the knockoff Nintendo's. That's pretty cool. You know what I mean? Like, bro, listen, I'm just gonna make this a bunch of box. Yeah, I'm assuming this is what he would say it was for me when I see it. Yeah. Yeah, he said I don't know it when I see it. Yep. These beats. Yep, that was for me. Yep. Yep. I knew. Okay, what's in this white box? Oh, is this a Pandora's box? Yo, I think this is a Pandora, one of those plugins to the TV. ARM Cortex A9 quad core. That's actually kind of dope. 2 controllers so you can get your game. Yeah, that's cool. So that was in the box as well. Y'all should see the stack right now. I literally have it all balancing on top of on top of that camera, whatever else. And then, or was this for me? Hold on. It's a Pokeball. It's a Pokeball. Oh, and it charges up. USB slots, whatever. This is actually really cool. So now I'm confused. Were the beats for me, or was the Pokeball for me? Now I want to assume it was the Pokeball. It don't matter. I'm keeping the beats too. Maybe. This is, bro. Are these a bunch of DS games? Hold on. We're gonna open this. What is this? It's a bunch of Nintendo DS games. We're going to come back to that because I'm actually curious to see what games are in here. But yeah, a bunch of Nintendo DS games. Yo, the stuff this dude be finding, man. Like, legit. This is good guy Damien stuff, man. If y'all aren't subbed to this channel, y'all should check him out. This ain't promotion. What is this? Oh, it's a gamer mouse. Okay, cool. There's a mouse. I wonder what the DPI is on it. But that's cool. There's a mouse. I'm running out of places to stack stuff. Well, we'll put that right there. And then there is a mechanical keyboard. A short form keyboard too. So there's that. We're not gonna open that up. We'll let whoever wins that open that. There is. Wait, what is this? Wait, this was a bag, right? Yeah, I just had this bag. Okay. Mike, move it out the way, right? Then we have another mechanical keyboard. This one's been kind of open. Again, a lot of this stuff probably came from the Amazon return store. So, you know what I'm saying? It works. You know, just Amazon sometimes just like, you know what? Screw it. Y'all can deal with it. And then, so this is a dock. I know this is a dock. This is a dock for the Steam Deck. Okay. And here is the Steam Deck with the charger cable. Let's get a look at it real quick. So the Steam Deck is supposed to be first place for a tournament, but seeing what's in this bag now. Oh, and look, it's got everything. It's got the manual and everything. So, from what I understand, this is supposed to have, I think he put a terabyte of space in here. There is no SD card, so you have to put one in here. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, pretty sure it works. It works. I'm not saying pretty sure it works. It works. It might be dead. Legit, it might be dead. But I do know it works. I did verify that. So that's actually pretty cool. Look, we can get the Steam Deck cloth and stuff, man. So that's going to be the main prize for the tournament, or maybe the main big ticket raffle item. I'm not too sure yet. Well, what else is in this box? Bro, what else is in... Okay, Damien. Alright, man. Let me see what... That looks like Spooder. That looks like my guy, Spidey. Or was... Yo, he said I was going to see stuff that I know is for me. I assume this is for me. Because that's Marvel Spider-Man. That's Spider-Man 2. Yeah, this is display art. That's Spider-Man 2. For anybody who doesn't know, dude, I love me some Spooder-Man. Like, and I can put it right above the PlayStation artwork that's on my wall. So yeah, let me clean this stuff up and get everybody a view of literally what we have for the giveaway. There's nothing else in here, right? Nope. All right, cool. Be right back. Yo, it's that feeling when you can't fit it all in the shot. But yeah, man. So this stuff will be for ExtraLife. I also did purchase some stuff. And then for anybody who knows me knows if a company sends me something for review or something, I usually give it away. So if you guys saw the Mantis controller review for the PS4, I'll be throwing that into the raffle. I have a couple Nintendo Switch controllers. There's all kinds of stuff that's going to be in there. But yeah, man, like, this is legit. You know what I'm saying? And then literally, I'll pay the shipping. You don't have to worry about shipping or anything else like that. This is all the stuff. I'm curious about these DS games. I am. These DS games, legit. Some of them might be worth some money. So I legitimately don't know what's in here. I would have to literally pull them all out. Like, I'm going to start pulling them out now and see what's in here. Yo, they got iCarly. Yo, iCarly, listen. Don't sleep on iCarly, bro. What is this? Yeah, so a cornucopia of DS. There's even Club Penguin. If you know, you know, right? If you know, you know. So I'm not gonna go through all these and whatever else, but yeah, man. Yo, shout out to Damien for even just offering to do this. I mean, and spending money to make this stuff and help with the giveaway stream and whatever else. And it's not really even a giveaway stream. It's just more of, this is for ExtraLife, you know. It's for charity, you know. And hey, the raffles will start off at like, probably $5 a shot. You know what I mean? Probably $5. Some of the higher items, probably 10. You know. And when I say raffle, what I'm saying is this: like, you're not buying to get into the raffle. What you're doing is you donate. Your name will be added to the wheel. We will spin the wheel, and we will get it out to you, or I will get it out to you. Not we, I. You know what I'm saying? But yo, this is some really dope stuff, man. If you guys aren't subbed to Damien, yo, sub to Damien because, yo, he made this possible. Good guy, Damien. You know what I mean? And yeah, December 9th, we're going to have us a nice little ExtraLife charity stream. You're not subbed to the back alley. You should be subbed to the back alley. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later. Oh, and that wall standee? Yeah, it's going to go above that Spider-Man picture next to my Deadpool 2 poster. That's where that's going to go.